your witty bonita, the funny girl, the funny girl. Yes. That I'm going to have a ano yun? Car wash. Obvious ba? Car ang katabi ko. So, I'm gonna clean this car for today. That is my job to clean this car for today. Yay! Come on guys, join me. Let's start. This is my new car here for today. So, sasabunan po nato siya. So, the pure. And I'm gonna car wash the white car. Okay guys. Hindi ko alam. Okay guys, punas-punasan po natin ito. Babulain natin ng todo. Ang dami-dami po mga itin ng mga langgam. Langgam, anong langgam? Bird, there's a lot of pee in the bird. Guys, help me. Anybody you want to hire me? Then, kabang leg. Woo! Ang hirap, maging mahirap guys. Ganito po ang buhay ng isang Filipino. You can do anything. Like, you can be a car wash lady. You can be a sales lady. I-clip na. This is the store of my sister. And this is the car of our neighbors. This is not my car. Wala po. Hindi po ako luxurious. Kariton lang ang service ko. Car of the neighbors. Okay guys. Hindi ko alam. Wait, sasabunan natin siya. Of course. Sabon agad. Woo! Yay! Magligo-ligo tayo. Pwede pa ito mabasa. This is not my car. Remember, sa kapitbahay, it's a neighbor's car. Neighbor's. Ano? Help guys. Tulong po kayo. Ganito po ang hanap buhay ng mga mahihirap. This is my new car here. Help me. Magpapaligo po tayo para po maging maganda ang car. Para lang po ding... Wait sa... Ang car is para rin yung tao. Dapat siya alagaan at sasabunan mo para po maging... maging productive, maging malinis, and maging... maganda like me. Okay guys, punas-punasan po natin ito. Please no! Woo! Tabang mga silingan, ito na yung career ko. Maligo-ligo na po. Woo! Yay! Thank you for watching. This is your witty bonita. The funny girl, the witty one. Bye!